Welcome to another segment of McKinley Cooking Channel. I'm Ashley Peters, registered dietitian at McKinley Health Center. I'm going to be presenting today some grab-and-go breakfast options that you can possibly even meal prep on Sundays to get a jump start on a good fueled week. Let's go ahead and get started. The first breakfast here is like a grab-and-go breakfast option. I like these breakfast Velveeta crackers because they are high in fiber and they're relatively low in sugar. I pair this with a Greek yogurt, a cup of fruit, and I have a perfectly well-balanced breakfast while I'm running out the door. Breakfast option number 2, overnight oats. It's going to be 2 cups of oats, and then a cup of yogurt, and then a cup of milk. Okay, I just want to give that a stir to make sure my consistency looks right. You want the oats to be pretty saturated so that way they can soak overnight. Now I'm just going to add some vanilla, cinnamon, and about a tablespoon of honey. Okay, give that a stir. And then I'm just going to prep these out into my bowls. So I hope you give these overnight oats a try. So breakfast option number 3 is energy ball bites. There's lots of different ways you can make these as well, just like the overnight oats, but I'm just going to give you a very generic recipe today, and then you can kind of add what you see fit. So the first thing we're going to do is start with about 2 cups of oats, add about 2 tablespoons of honey. Let's make it 3 really big spoonfuls of peanut butter. And then you could add chia seeds to these and flax seeds to these as well. And I'm going to add in some chocolate chips. Okay, we're just going to mix this all up, and we get a sheet of aluminum foil and just go ahead and ball them up. Okay, there you have it. A couple energy ball bites with some strawberries, a glass of milk, and there you go. You've got a perfectly well-balanced breakfast. Breakfast option number 4 is something that's really popular right now, is avocado toast. So I've got some butter getting warmed up in the pan. I'm going to start making my toast, crack my egg. Okay, now we want to mash up some avocado. Alright, so to the avocado, I'm just going to add some salt, a little pepper, and then just give this a mash. Ooh, our toast is ready. So I'm going to go ahead and butter the toast. And then I'm going to put a garlic spread on top of the toast, just a little. And now I'll spread the avocado. I'm going to put a little salt and pepper on the egg. Alright, there you have it. Avocado toast with a fried egg. Be sure to give that one a try if you have a little extra time in the morning. Okay, so there you have it. 4 different breakfast options to get your day started off right by eating breakfast. If you're looking for more cooking tips to increase your skills in the kitchen, visit Campus Rec's website under Nutrition, Instructional Kitchen, and you can sign up for a cooking class. Also, download our wellness app, and Buddy here is going to help you guide the way to a healthier lifestyle. Please stay tuned for more cooking videos.